Qwen is a family of large language models built by Alibaba Cloud. This comes from the organization of Qwen, and here Qwen is an abbreviation for Tongyi Qianyuan, which is a Chinese firm. In this organization, they continuously are releasing various large language models, large multimodal models, which are called as LLM, and also AGI related projects. They have released a couple of the very popular LLMs recently, Qwen 7b and Qwen 14b, each of which includes a base model, a chat model with its quantized counterpart. They also have released LMM Qwen-VL, which is based on Qwen 7b and also includes a base model and a chat model with again with its quantized counterpart. And there are a lot of work they are doing when it comes to artificial intelligence. Their work in bilingual multimodal model is really something to follow along. I have done few videos around their Qwen family of models, so feel free to search on the channel. But in this video, I just wanted to introduce you to this new model, which is called as Qwen-Audio. Qwen-Audio is a large-scale audio language model trained on 30 plus tasks and diverse audio types like speech, music, and natural sounds. It is aimed at universal audio understanding. On your screen, you can see the abstract of the paper these researchers have written, and they have done a very good job. Plus, if you're interested in reading the full paper, you can find it here. If uh, and I'll drop the link in video's description too. Now, coming back to this Qwen-Audio, it uses a multitask framework to avoid interference, achieving high performance without task-specific tuning and enabling multi-turn dialogues with various audio and text inputs. That and as I mentioned earlier, this Qwen-Audio is primarily a multimodal version of the series Qwen, as which is proposed by Alibaba Cloud. Qwen-Audio accepts diverse audio. So diverse, when I say diverse audio, it means human speech, natural sound, music, and song. And it takes text as input and outputs as text again. There are a lot of good features around it. For example, Qwen-Audio is a fundamental multitask audio language model that supports various tasks, languages, and audio types. To scale up audio language pre-training, the researchers have addressed the challenge of variation in textual labels associated with different data sets by proposing a multitask training framework enabling knowledge sharing and avoiding one-to-many interference. Their model incorporates more than 30 tasks and extensive experiments show that the model achieves strong performance. Also, one of my favorite features for this audio Qwen is that it supports multiple audio analysis, sound understanding and reasoning, music appreciation, and also tool usage for speech editing. They also have a demo website where you can read further along it. Let me play some of the multilingual automatic speech recognition and translation by using Qwen-Audio. So let me play this first one where it recognizes the speech and translate it into English. Let me play it.
大家好，我们来讨论一下公司周末团建的地点吧。大家有什么意见呢？
Pretty cool. So let me play one more. Maybe I'll play this one. Let's do this one.
对了，我还想提议，我们可以做一些自行车，骑行一下，既锻炼身体，又心情愉悦。
Amazing stuff. Very good quality, I would say. Now they can also do the multiple audio analysis. So let me play this one. And in
你在干啥子嘞？吃饭了没得？
so in this one, it has recognized the gender, age, accent, emotion, and also speaking content of the person in audio, and then combine these to answer the question while explaining the reason for these answers. So this is quite advanced level, and really I believe one of the best thing. Also, it can do sound understanding and reasoning, which I was mentioning earlier. So let me play this first one. As you can see that it was able to recognize the sound information and assume that the sound is happening around the user. And then music appreciation is also a very nice one. Let me um, play with. So you see that it was able to detect what exactly this music was, and then when you chat with it and ask to describe it, it is describing it piece by piece, and quite in a quite expert way. It is describing um, what exactly that music is, and then this is the next level thing where if you it is telling you what are the similar music to the solo piano ragtime, so which is amazing. Now you can also do the speech editing where you can integrate a lot of other tooling. So let me play the first one.
You look like a snake! Yes! What?
So you see you it was able to uh, so we are asking it now edit out the word what. Let me play that.
What?
There you go. And then let's do this one.
Happy New Year, Mary. Wishing you a joyful New Year.
And similarly, you can change the word. For example, we are asking it change joyful to interesting. So now you can sense that how easy it is to edit out the audios, and maybe you can do the same in the same voice. So it's pretty scary, could be used for any purpose. And then they have a lot of other things such as this one where auto motivated creative writing. Let me play it a little bit. So you can see that it was writing a poem about the above audio, which is amazing. I mean, this is just next level inference. And then if you want to read about the licensing, then you can see that researchers and developers are free to use the codes and model weights of both Qwen-Audio and Qwen-Audio chat, and then they allow their commercial usage. So which is pretty handy and nice and good of them. And then you can read more about it. For example, the architecture, how it is doing, which I described earlier, how it is doing different multitask training format framework. So I believe that quite a handy one. And as I said, I'll drop the link to this in video's description. If you have any thoughts or if you're already using it, please share it in the comments. And of course, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.